In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find competitor backlinks using the Semrush Backlink gap tool. By the end, you'll know exactly how to uncover the websites that link to your competitors more than they link to you, and how to prioritize the best opportunities. First, open the Backlink gap tool inside Semrush. From the main dashboard, head to the SEO section and choose Backlink gap. This is where we'll compare your domain against your competitors to reveal high-value prospects. Next, enter the domains you want to analyze. Put your own website in the top field, then add your competitor websites in the fields below. Use root domains rather than individual pages to capture the full backlink picture. Once you've added your sites, click Find Prospects to run the comparison. You'll now see a list of referring domains. These are the websites that are linking to your competitors, but not to you, or not as much. Think of this as your opportunity map. Each domain represents a potential relationship you can build to close the gap. To focus on the strongest opportunities fast, click the Best tab. This view highlights the most promising prospects, often high-authority domains that already link to multiple competitors. If several rivals have earned links from the same site, that site is clearly open to your niche and is more likely to consider your content as well. Before you take action, analyze each opportunity. Look at authority score to gauge the overall quality and trust of the domain. Higher is generally better. Check the number of matches to see how many competitors the domain links to. More matches often signal higher relevance. Review traffic to understand potential visibility. Domains with solid monthly visits can send both authority and referral visitors. Use the built-in filters to refine the list. Choose weak-to-surface sites where your presence is minimal compared to competitors. These are quick wins to balance coverage. Select strong to find domains linking to all competitors. They're proven, category-relevant prospects worth prioritizing. Pick unique to pinpoint domains that only your competitors have. These can uncover new angles for content or partnerships you haven't considered. When you're ready, select the domains you want to pursue. You can export the list to keep your pipeline organized, or start outreach directly. As you reach out, reference the content they link to on competitor sites and propose a stronger, fresher, or more useful resource from your own site. That's it. You now know how to find competitor backlinks using Semrush's Backlink gap tool. Thanks for watching.